Okay, here we are at Stormwater SUP 00950504. We are going from down the bottom of the manhole up. We've just checked that. We broke out a little bit of concrete that was lying in the drain. It's all looking good. All right, pull back. There's no tree root structure getting in. Okay, just confirming that's where we are. The manhole in front by the road cone, it was the sewer, which was marked on the plans, which we checked earlier. So we're just going to carry that over there. Come down on the stormwater down to this section, just check that line. You might need to get in there, bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just a bit of scale there, which we're going to clean up. This is us going. So there's no signs of any tree roots that are inside the line. This is going down to the manhole that we've just been to. Alright, thank you.